stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright.